Okay, this is going to be lesson number 9. And it's going to be of how to use how much. So let's do some examples. How much time you can spend time. How much money you can spend money. How much energy, this is a y, let's make it the y correctly. Let's make the y correctly. How much money, how much energy, how much energy, so how much time do you spend studying? How much time do you spend studying? And then you got another one here. How much money do you spend on, for example, you can say clothing and ropa. How much money do you spend on trips, viajes? How much money do you spend on food? ¿Cuánto dinero gastas en comida? And so. And then you have energy. So how much energy do you spend? Do you spend playing, jugando, playing? How much energy do you spend studying? Again, you can use it. ¿Cuánta energía? How much energy do you spend playing soccer? Playing soccer, for example. Okay, do you play playing soccer? Okay, and then you can do the question. Let's do the question marks correctly for everybody. So you can combine all these guys. So how much, here we go. And then you can go this way, how much time? And then you can go this way. You can just follow the arrows. Do you spend studying? Okay. And then you can go this way. How much money? How much money do you spend on? How much money do you spend on clothing? On clothing. ¿Cuánto dinero gastas en ropa? How much money do you spend on trips? ¿Cuánto dinero gastas en viajes? How much money do you spend on food? ¿Cuánto dinero gastas en comida? And then you have your question mark right here and your question. Oh, you got it over here already. So you have your question mark right here. And then you can go this way too. How much energy do you spend? You can go this way. Let's cut this one. How much energy? And then do you spend playing, jugando? How much energy do you spend studying? Okay, studying. How much energy do you spend playing soccer? Okay. So and then you got your question mark right here. So you can combine all these guys. For example, examples. How much time do you spend how much time do you spend studying? ¿Cuánto tiempo pasas estudiando? ¿O cuánto tiempo gastas estudiando? Let's do another one. How much time do you spend? How much time do you spend? How much time do you spend playing the guitar? ¿Cuánto tiempo gastas tocando la guitarra? How much energy? Oh, let's do one with energy. How much energy? How much energy do you spend? How much energy do you spend playing soccer? Playing soccer. ¿Cuánta energía te gastas jugando al soccer? And you can answer these questions. For example, I'm going to clear this one to answer some questions. So we can clear this one. So let's review. How much time do you spend studying? ¿Cuánto tiempo te gastas estudiando? How much money do you spend on clothing? ¿Cuánto dinero te gastas en ropa? How much money do you spend on trips? ¿Cuánto dinero te gastas en viajes? Trips son viajes. How much money do you spend on food? ¿Cuánto dinero te gastas en comida? How much energy do you spend playing? ¿Cuánta energía te gastas jugando? How much energy do you spend studying? ¿Cuánta energía te gastas estudiando? How much energy do you spend playing soccer? ¿Cuánta energía te gastas jugando al soccer? And then you can answer the questions. I'm going to do another one to answer the questions, and I'm going to get rid of this one. So you can say, I spend 1 hour. Yo gasto 1 hour or 2 hours or 3 hours or 3 hours playing soccer. Or I spend 1 hour, 2 hours or 3 hours studying. Or you can say I spend 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours reading. Okay, and these could be your answers. So you can say I spend, okay, I spend 1 hour, I spend 1 hour, or I can spend 2 hours, 2 horas, 2 hours. I found the S right here, 2 hours. I spend 3 hours, okay, 3 hours. And then from here, you can go this way. And then you can go here, just follow the arrows, playing soccer or studying, okay. Or from here, you can either go this way too. Here's follow the reading. So for example, you can say, I spend 3 hours reading books, right? I spend 3 hours reading books. How? Okay. And the question would be, how much time do you spend? How much time do you spend reading books? So the answer would be, I spend 3 hours reading books. I spend 2 hours studying. Okay, I spend 3 hours, 3 hours, 3 horas, 3 hours studying. Me gasto 3 horas estudiando, and so. So you can do some combinations, and you can have your answers, and you can have your questions and your answers. And we have another example, and thank you, and we'll do more. Bye.